Good morning, friends. Welcome back. Today we will discuss 32 points regarding to avoid SPAD. Now we will discuss all points about it. Please be sincere during watching these videos because it is most important for running staff. LP and ALP to have complete rest before sign on. LP and ALP to have proper road learning of the section. LP and ALP to undergo BA test during sign on and sign off. LP and ALP to correctly identify their signal and call out the signal aspect with gesture. Right hand signals to be repeated so specifically. LP and ALP to continue watching signal aspect and take accordingly till they arrive close to the signal. Restrictive aspect of the signal like danger to be called out repeatedly till the foot of the signal. Note: ALP to observe whether speed of the train decreasing and be prepared to apply ALP emergency brake if required. LP to act purely according to the aspect of the signal given to him and not to presume any other things. He is to follow signal and only signal, nothing else. LP to conduct brake field test, brake power test and brake continuity test wherever applicable. LP should not have overconfidence regarding brake power of his train. LP and ALP not to use mobile phones during sign on to sign off. LP and ALP not to take instructions regarding signals on walkie-talkie. LP and ALP not to bypass VCD and inform TLC while bypassing VCD only in case of malfunctioning of VCD. LP and ALP not to write memo book, not to take food or not to pack belongings, etc. in the face of approaching signals. CLI to monitor enginemanship of his LPs more closely and bring out his weak areas for improvement. No LP to be left overdue for monitoring. LPs and CLIs to highlight any signal visibility problems immediately for rectification. Signal sighting committees recommendations to be implemented. CLIs to conduct ambush checks with speed guns and portable equipment both in day and night. ALPs to be trained in applying emergency brakes whenever required. Sigma boards to be provided before stop signals to help in foggy weather, etc. Recommended facilities to be provided in running room and quarterly inspection. Running room inspection committee under ADRM should be conducted and its recommendations to be implemented. Power officers to regularly check all CLI's diary once in a month and take efforts to improve weak LPs. Performance of LPs in training school and simulators to be watched. SPM /CUG mobile data of LPs to be analyzed by CLIs regularly. Crew to be counseled about poor brake power and quick release of brakes in Voxon HL and VCN HL racks with BMBC and twin pipe. LPs not to allow unauthorized persons in cab and all persons in the cab are prohibited to speak on mobile phone. While approaching danger signals, use of only regenerative RV braking should be avoided. He should use A9 necessarily. Whenever trains are stopped at stations at foot of the danger signals, formation brakes should be applied with minimum reduction position of A9 brake. LP is to work from proper cab while shunting and should not leave loco unmanned without proper securing. ALP is not to leave working cab for on run examination etc. while approaching danger signals. Without passing aptitude test, LP should not be utilized for MIMO/EMU trains. Suitable reduction of speed while passing signals at caution aspect and should be prepared to stop short of stop signal at danger as per G and SR. These are 32 points for precautions to avoid speed. As you have watched all 32 points regarding to avoid speed, I hope all of you are understand about it, and please watch these videos repeatedly to avoid speed. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Please subscribe this channel, press red bell button to getting notification about latest videos and share it more and more.